Hi, welcome to my video. In this video I have explained about the preventive manual therapy that we have introduced in our clinics. Manual therapy techniques has been used in our clinics for a long time. Most of the situations we have only used it for therapeutic relief of joint pains, restrictions and movement restrictions, stiffness, etc. But this time, we are coming out with this thing as a preventive package. Especially for those people who are in a very hectic lifestyle, for people who travel a lot, who do a lot of desk-bound work, like who don't generally get to move that much, and for people who are slightly overweight also. For all of them, this will be quite helpful. The techniques employed are, passive mobilization techniques after very careful and thorough assessment of all the joints and the asymmetry, imbalance in the muscular structure and everything. We take them through a very advanced pattern of assessment, to note all their drawbacks in their body, and then based on that we build the mobilization plus soft tissue release techniques. And benefits of the program is like supposing, in case if you are heading for if your knee or if your back is heading for an arthritis, so to speak, or already in case if you have developed first stage of arthritis, we will be able to pull you out of that. On top, we can give you a fantastic preventive program, which will see that all these joints stay in such good shape in terms of mobility, also in terms of proprioceptive strength. So you will be able to delay the complications that happens in your body, as well as you can altogether prevent the the wear and tear from happening. So be open-minded to this program, and for more details you can contact me at Venkats Yoga and Physio, it's all one word, at gmail.com. Let me spell this: Venkats, Venkats Yogan, as in naughty, N Physio, Venkats Yoga and Physio at gmail.com. And you can always reach me in my mobile 98402 99329. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in my next one. Thank you.